Imagine this. It's 2030. You're sipping coffee on a space station, scrolling through your investment portfolio. But here's the kicker. Your biggest returns aren't from Tesla or Apple. They're from companies mining asteroids and building cities on Mars. Sounds insane, right? Well, this could be your reality by 2025. And no, I'm not talking about Elon Musk's Twitter feed. I'm talking about space exploration stocks, the trillion-dollar industry that's about to make early investors filthy rich. Here's the problem. Most people think space investing is sci-fi nonsense. But while they're laughing, Wall Street is quietly pouring billions into rockets, satellites, and lunar real estate. If you're under 30 and want generational wealth, you need to pay attention. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to invest in the final frontier and why waiting could cost you millions. Let's blast off. 1. Why space is the ultimate wealth-building playground narrator. Let's start with the big picture. Space isn't just for astronauts anymore. By 2040, Morgan Stanley predicts the space economy will be worth $1.1 trillion. That's bigger than today's global movie, music, and gaming industries combined. Think asteroid mining, space tourism, and satellite internet that connects the entire planet. This isn't speculation. It's happening now. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab are building the railroads of the cosmos. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have $1 billion to start a rocket company. Good news, you don't need to. Let's talk about how to hitch a ride on this gravy train. Speaking of rides, the first step is knowing which companies are fueling the space race. 2. The 3 types of space stocks set to explode. Next up, the players. Space investing isn't just rockets, it's a 3-layered cake. Launch providers, SpaceX, Rocket Lab. Satellite tech, AST Space Mobile, Planet Labs. Resource mining, Astroforge, Transastra. Imagine owning stock in the company that builds the first lunar mining rig, or the satellites that connect rural villages to 5G. These aren't stocks, they're time machines. Of course, if you're still betting on Blockbuster, this might hurt your feelings. But here's the catch. Not all space stocks are created equal. Let's separate the rockets from the duds. 3. How to avoid meme stock. Black holes. Let's be real. For every SpaceX, there's a Space Y. Companies all hype, no payload. The key is to focus on revenue, not rocket emojis. Think about it. A company with NASA contracts? Golden. A company selling Mars NFTs? Run. Still think all space stocks are risky? What if I told you SpaceX's Starlink is already profitable and it's just the appetizer? Now let's talk about the ultimate cheat code, ETFs. 4. The Lazy Investor's Guide to Space ETFs. Don't want to pick stocks? Meet ETFs like ARKX and UFO. These let you own 50+ space companies with one click. Right now, these ETFs are dirt cheap, but when space goes mainstream, they'll skyrocket faster than a Falcon Heavy. Of course, if you're the type who still uses a flip phone, ETFs might scare you. But here's the secret sauce. Pair ETFs with this high-risk, high-reward strategy. The Billionaire Playbook, pre-IPO investments. Want to invest like Elon Musk? Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are still private, but platforms like MoonPay and Forge let you buy shares early. Early Uber investors made 2,000% returns. Space could be 10 times bigger. Still think it's too late? What if I told you the first asteroid mining mission launches next year? Now you're probably thinking, how do I start? I've saved the best for last. So there you have it. Space isn't the final frontier, it's the ultimate wealth frontier. Whether it's ETFs, pre-IPOs, or asteroid mining stocks, the window to get in is closing fast. Remember, the biggest fortunes are made before the crowd catches on. By 2025, this video could look like a time capsule from the golden age of space investing. If you're ready to launch your portfolio into orbit, start researching today. And if you're worried about AI stealing your job while you're busy getting rich, check out my video, The Dark Side of AI, How to Protect Your Job in 2025. Click the link now to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, Earth is just the launch pad. See you in the next video.